Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. And you've seen by the thumbnail, we're doing a Back to the Future Lego build today. Back in November, I noticed on Amazon they were selling a Delorean and Doc Brown's vehicle transporter as a kit for both of them. I think it was £100, and I thought I can do better than that. So I went to AliExpress, and they were on there for about £75. And then I looked at their mid-November and they dropped down to, I think I paid just shy of £62 delivered for both vehicles, which was a pretty good price. So yeah, we're going to do that. Arrived in, wasn't very long, I'm going to say a couple of weeks. Comes with 2 packs. Once you get them, you email them to the seller and they send you over the PDFs. You can download them on, they send you like a message online through the AliExpress app, and you download the PDF to build these. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to build both of these. I think there's quite a big build, so there's quite a lot of pieces. I won't film it, but then we're going to come back afterwards, and I'll let you know if there's any awkward bits, any problems, any areas I have problems with, any missing parts, that the kind of thing. And then we'll do a review. But I'm looking forward to this because it does look really good. It's going to sit really well right next to my 18 van. I think they're a very similar scale. So yeah, I'm going to go in the house, it's warmer in there, get these built, and we'll come back and we'll do a quick review. But yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So 4 hours later, both of them built. Really nice kits to put together. Really impressed with them. Right, we'll do some close-ups and we'll go through each model in turn and just show you how I got on. Right, let's start with the DeLorean. As you can see, it's quite a detailed model for something that's so compact. Lots of details. And it was a really nice build. A little bit complicated, a little bit tricky at times, but nothing that anyone would be able to build. The instructions are really clear. And yeah, just a really nice build. Took about 2 hours to build. I was really impressed with it. The only problem I got the same with the truck is, you might have noticed, there's no decals on any of it. There was nothing that came in the kit. The PDF instructions did show that you'd have like the out of time number plate on and things like that, and there's in the cab they'd be all printed clocks and things for the dashboard, but there's nothing, it doesn't come with anything. It's the same with the truck as well. But I'm really impressed with this. Now it's a bit of a mismatch this, because obviously we got this from 1955. If you flip it over, we've got a couple of things here from the later movies as well, from number 2 where it was floating. But generally, yeah, really impressed with it. Yeah, right. The truck. This was so much fun to build. Ooh, I'll just knock that off. Really easy to build. Pretty quick, again, a couple of hours. Again, no decals on the side of it. But really nice details for the ramp for the car to go in. I'll show you the car in a minute. Really nice. So it's just a really compact build. Really nicely put together. Flip it over. Some details in the cab. There's in fact, let me see on the back here. There's a tool chest in the back of it, which is just right down the bottom. You can't really see. I'll see if I can get a better image of it in a second. Which was a really nice little build on its own. So yeah, really easy to build. Took a couple of hours. No problems, no missing parts, no nothing. And the best thing about it, obviously, is the car. I need to take this off. Will go in. Give me a second. Will go in, which is really cool. And as you can see, fits in really snug. So really impressed with it. Little ramp, there's ramps inside it as well. And yeah, it's just a really cool little build. There's some really nice details on it. Oh, wrong way to fold it back. Yeah, I think for 61 quid, the amount of Lego you get and the enjoyment of building it and how refined it is, just really impressed with it. Yeah, right, let's do some close-ups on some of the details. I thought it's just got some really nice finishes to it. The way it's just put together is just really nice as well. Got the lights on the roof that you see in the film. The indicators all fixed in there. Fold this down. Oops. Cars in the back. It just is a really nice build. And I say, there's this little tool chest here in the back, which is a nice little build on its own, I must admit. Let me pull this out, bear with me. Really nice build, clear instructions, goes together so well. Relatively easy to build. There's a couple of complications, a little bit complicated bits on the Delorean because of the small details that are on that. But again, just went together so well. PDF instructions, I say, were absolutely fantastic. Down to the fact that the different colours of grey, light grey and dark grey, are clear on there, where some of the AliExpress Lego have got, you don't know whether it's light or dark grey until you weld through it all. But yeah, really impressed with it. So I got it for 60, just shy of 62 quid. I waited on AliExpress for that to drop. Currently, it's on at 75 quid again. But if you fancy this, I'd definitely get one. The only downside is that there's no decals come with it. It's a bit of a shame, but doesn't really detract from the build itself. If you've got one of these, let me know what you think. But yeah, we'll go and put this back on the shelf with some of my other Lego car builds, movie cars, and yeah, we're happy with it. If you made it this far, it was useful, let me know, and thanks for watching.